Elevate your business confidence in a dynamic business landscape with the leading SAFe 6.0 certification course. This two-day scaled Agile framework course is not just for managers, directors, and executives. It is a gateway for anyone aspiring to be effective in a company operating with the SAFe Scaled Agile framework, which is currently the most in-demand system for product development. Discover how the principles and practices of the SAFe Agilist certification can empower you to swiftly respond to market changes and achieve global enterprise success. Learn how to optimize value flow, prioritize customer centricity approaches to increase productivity and foster a culture of collaboration. You'll uncover how to create an environment where employees are engaged and satisfied, leading to the faster and predictable delivery of high-quality products. The SAFe certification course also covers vital SAFe events, such as PI planning and aligning teams with clear objectives. Whether you're a current leader, an aspiring leader, or seeking a robust foundation in SAFe, this course is your path to success. Join us to become a key player in driving Lean-Agile transformation. Click on the link to find a class that you can attend either in person or remotely, online or at your corporate location, and enroll today to get the certification needed for attaining and maintaining leadership in a thriving enterprise.